Good morning, Mahira. How are you feeling today? Ready for your flu shot?
A bit nervous, actually. I've heard the flu shot can cause a lot of side effects.
It's understandable to feel that way. The most common side effects are soreness at the injection site, mild fever, and muscle aches. These usually go away within a day or two.
Okay, that doesn't sound too bad. I'm more concerned about getting the flu. I have asthma, so I'm worried about complications.
Getting the flu shot is especially important for people with chronic conditions like asthma. It helps protect you from getting sick and reduces the severity of symptoms if you do catch the flu.
I see. Can I take any medication to prevent the side effects?
Yes, Mihira, over-the-counter pain relievers like ibuprofen can help with soreness and fever. However, it's best to consult with your doctor before taking any new medication.
MIHIRA, I know that preparing for any medical procedure can bring up a lot of natural anxiety, but I want to reassure you that you are in wonderful, capable hands. The procedure you are scheduled for is a standard minor surgery. You will be placed under general anesthesia, which simply means you will sleep soundly and peacefully throughout the entire process without feeling any discomfort at all. Afterwards, keeping you comfortable, calm, and pain-free is our highest priority. Immediately following the operation, you will receive intravenous morphine to ensure any initial pain is managed quickly and effectively. Our compassionate medical team will closely monitor your recovery with timely, regular reviews to see how you are feeling and adjust your care as needed. MIHIRA, as you begin to heal and regain your strength, we will gradually transition your pain relief from 4 medication to oral morphine, and eventually down to mild over-the-counter pain relievers. Every step of this journey is thoughtfully planned around your comfort and safety, so please rest easy knowing we are right here with you.